Okay, boys and girls, it's early morning and we're sort of hankering for some breakfast today. What we're wanting to do is we're wanting to cook us up some sausage, gonna have some eggs and toast. But we're not wanting to make a mess in the kitchen. So since I'm already doing it, I thought I'd show you an easy, mess-free way to get that nice brown sausage without making a mess all over your stove and kitchen. So y'all stay with us. We'll show you how we get her done here on Deep South Bama. Okay, what you're going to need is you're going to need a pan. A shallow baking dish will work. I like to wrap mine in foil because it is going to make a little bit of a greasy mess, and I like to minimize cleanup. Then you're going to need some sausage. What we're going to have today is Dean's mild tube sausage. The other thing you're going to need right off the bat is a good sharp knife. Now I suggest you put your tube sausage in the freezer, well, about 30 minutes to an hour. Just makes it easier to cut so it's not all smushy. So we'll get set up and we'll show you what we're doing from that point on. Okay. We have our tube sausage, we have a knife. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cutting up some slices of this tube sausage. A sharp knife is definitely going to be something that you're going to want to have. But just so we don't cut through our foil on the plate, we're going to get one of our disposable cutting boards, aka paper plate. And here again, all you're going to do, of course, cut you off some slices. And this knife isn't that sharp. We'll place them on your pan. And herein lies the point, as you can see, to having a sharp knife. And that one's not the sharpest in the world. Smushed up your sausage. And you want to cut them about a ½ inch thick. And if they get all smushy on you, because I didn't do like I told you, put it in the freezer for about half an hour to an hour. Firm this up. That's not the point of the video. The point of this video is to show you how to cook your sausage without making a total mess of your stove, walls, and counters. Okay, we're just going to make up some patties here. It's just me. One there is a little bit thicker. And the point being, you're going to want to make them about all the same thickness. The diameter is not what's important, it's the thickness. Now, we've got to wash our hands. Okay, we washed our hands. Okay, we're going to set that sausage aside. We've got 3 patties. One's a little bit larger, 2 a little bit smaller. Who cares? The important part again, like I say, same thickness. Now, we're going to have to put them into our oven. So hold on. Okay, we'll take our little tray here of sausage. We'll run it over here to the convection oven. Now, you could do this in your regular oven. I'm using a convection oven because it's only 3 sausage patties. And I got it right here. It's set at 425 degrees. We're just going to set it on in there. Make sure you preheat it. And we're going to leave it in there for about 10 minutes, and we're going to come back and check it. If it's looking good, we're going to flip it. Okay, we've come to the 10-minute time frame. We're going to check our sausage, see how it's doing on our convection oven. Turn that off, it's annoying. So we're going to head on over here to the old convection oven, take a look at it. Oh yeah, you can see it's plumping right on up. Let's get it on out of there, flip it over. Okay, got it out of the convection oven. You can see that one there is plumped up a lot. Just going to flip it on over. I'm going to flip that one. And we're going to flip that one. Now, we're going to stick it back in the old convection oven. Give it another 10 minutes. Okay, kids? Be right back. Okay, we've got the timer going off again. Now that sausage, we flipped it at 10 minutes. Now it's been 20. Let's go over, take a look at it in the old convection oven. Hold on. Oh yeah. You can't see it very well. We'll get her out and throw her on the counter. Take a look at it. Well, here we have it after 20 minutes. Now, I will say this. If you want to have a little bit browner there, all you got to do is turn on the broiler, put it under there for a couple minutes, brown it up more. But for me, this looks perfectly okay. So we're going to transfer it to some paper towels. It's a done deal. Now we haven't made no mess all over our stove or the walls or the counters. This is an easy way to cook up that morning sausage. Now me, I'm only doing 3 patties. If you got a big family, you may fill up the whole tray. But I definitely would advise you to start cooking your sausage in the oven, whether it's a small convection oven or your regular oven. It's definitely going to cut down on the cleanup time, kids. And it's still going to be yummy. So we're going to throw this on some paper towels on a plate. We'll get the rest of our breakfast done. Then we'll come back and show you what we're having before we leave you today. Okay, boys and girls, we've got our breakfast fixed here. We've got us 3 sunny side up eggs, a couple of pieces of hot buttered toast, and star of the show is the oven cooked sausage. Now we didn't make a mess all over our stove, or counters, or walls. We cooked them in our little convection oven. Like I say, you can cook them in your regular oven. That's 425 for 10 minutes. Flip them, another 10 minutes. Like I say, if you want them browner, then all you have to do is fire up the broiler, whether it's in your convection oven or regular oven, get a little bit more browning. So let's see how they taste today. Okay, let's take us a little piece of this sausage right here. Take a look at it for you. Yep, it's done all the way through. Now, see how it tastes, guys. So we got our sausage. Let's go to a taste test. Folks, that's perfect. It's cooked perfect. There was no mess, no fuss, easy clean up. We're good to go to get out in the gardens and yard and do some work today. So, I hope you liked the video. Hope you learned something. I know it's a simple thing, but you might not know. A lot of people know about cooking their bacon in the oven. I've been doing that for years. But it just dawned on me today, I ain't seen much about sausage. You can do sausage in the oven as well. Save yourself all the mess. Get on with life. So until the next video, folks, Y'all take care, stay safe, God bless. Remember, if you like what you see, want to help us out, share the video, drop a comment down below, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time here on Deep South Bama. Mr. Tom. Bye for now.